Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Actually today I am going to discuss something very important and most amazing features of Android operating system. Google is leading in terms of software enhancement, development and optimization into Android operating systems from few years. So please watch this video till end so you can understand the whole concept of this video.
Baseline kicking, yes, I'm grooving.
In India now Google is rolling out chat features for Google Message users. So for getting chat features you have to register as a beta user in Apple Play Store. Then only you will get this feature, and it is not supporting for all the devices. It is based on some specific supported devices and few supported carrier like Airtel and Vodafone only for now. Like Jio is not supporting this feature for now because Jio has its own separate app for RCS features. So I will tell you like what is the exactly meaning of RCS, so you will understand the whole concept. Basically RCS is rich communication services. Like it's like a universal profile for every mobile devices from Google. It is going out to be the chat or chat features based on standard called the universal profile for rich communication services or SMS that we used to use earlier as SMS. So I'm going to tell you like what are the requirements to activate RCS chat features. So first requirement is that you must have to join beta program. Like here you can see on my screen, I'm going to mark now. You can see on my screen you are a beta tester, right? So like here you can see the leave option is there. So if you are not a beta tester, you can see here an option called join. So you have to join as a beta tester. So after joining beta tester, you have to kill your Google Play Store app from the RAM management feature. Okay, like that. And then again you have to go back, open Play Store, type Google Messages, open the Messages application, and then here you can see an install option. You will get an install option here. You have to install the latest version of this app. After installing this app, there must be a few things you have to keep remember. You have to make this message feature as your default messaging app. Like maybe you are using Xiaomi, maybe you are using Realme, maybe you are using Samsung. So what are your inbuilt messaging app? You don't have to use that app as a default. You have to make sure that Google Message should be your default messaging app. And there is one more thing, like currently in India only supporting in few carriers like Airtel and Vodafone Carrier. Like if you are using Airtel number or if you are using Vodafone number, then only you will be able to activate the chat feature. If you are using Jio, then you will not be able to activate chat feature for now because it is limited in India. It is not rolling completely in mass basis. So finally I'm going to show you like how you will be able to activate your chat features in your Google messaging app. So for me like it's already got activated, so I'm not going to activate again, but I'm going to tell you the whole step so it will be easy for you to get activated. So you have to click on the three dot, then go to settings, then go to general, then go to chat features, and here status. Like here it's showing connected, right? You can see on my screen here it's showing connected. So over there maybe in your device it can show like yeah your device is not supporting chat features for now, or your carrier is not supporting chat features for now. So if you are using Jio, it will not support. Like I'm going to show you a live example like exactly how it will get activated. So as you can see my screen, you have to see here, you have to focus here. Like I'm using Jio data, like Jio 4G internet connection. So at this condition chat feature, see, chat feature is unavailable for this device. Your device does not currently support this feature. This message you can see in Jio Carrier, right? Now I'm going back. Now I'm going to change this internet connection to Airtel. So after closing messaging app, again I'm going to click three dot here. I'm going to activate chat feature. See, in Airtel internet connection, see this one here, its internet connection is activated on Airtel. So on Airtel internet connection, the status is showing connected. But if I switch to Jio again, it will not get connected. See, Again, if I switch to Airtel, it will get connected automatically. I have to go back, general, chat feature, connecting. It will take few minutes, or I have to close the app. Then again I have to open the app, 3 dot, settings, chat features. So connected, but it will get connected in few minutes. So like it will support in only Airtel, Vodafone or Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, it will get connected. See, it is getting connected. So if you are using Jio, your device will not support. It will support only in the Vodafone and Airtel carriers, Airtel numbers or Vodafone numbers. It will not support for Jio numbers. Or maybe your device is not compatible for now. Maybe it will be supported in the future. So don't be in hurry, or you can try. At least you can give it a try, like whether it is supporting or not, with the same way. So you will get option to register. Like here you will get option to register for the chat feature if you are using Airtel internet connection or Vodafone internet connection. There is one more thing, like you will not be able to activate this feature in Wi-Fi. So you must have to be on, or you must have to be get activated like internet connection through the Airtel or Vodafone. So thereafter you will get an option to like activate chat features, like on the screen you can see. And here you have to register your Airtel number or Vodafone number. Then only like after a few minutes it will show like status connected. So thereafter you will enjoy all the benefits that I'm going to share on the screen, or that I'm going to share in the slides. So you will understand what are the whole features you will get after getting the chat features activated. After activation of chat services in Google Message, you can see on the screen like you will get the option to pay via Google Pay directly from the Google Message, or you can pay to the restaurant. You can see the restaurant option and you can directly pay via Google Pay. You can ask anyone about the options, like if they have to share the memes, if they have to share any locations to you, or if you can ask like where we can meet, so they can share directly locations or videos, or they can share directly images in the high quality. Like you can see on the screen, they are planning something party and they are asking about the location, and the other person is sharing location directly to the Google Message. You don't have to go to map and then again share to the message. And in the group chat you can mention any name. And still after that you are having an issue to activate chat features, do comments in the comment box or contact me on Instagram. Do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.